it's Darla. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming to my channel and checking me out. And yes, this is crochet, and I'll get to that in a minute. First thing, I want to know, I have a question for you. How are you all doing today? I really care. I really want to know, how are you doing? Also, if you have a prayer request, feel free to put it in the comments below, or if you want to keep it private, you can email me. I'll make sure my email address is in the description box below. I just made a note to make sure. Okay, so I have a shout out as well to LadybirD Loves. Hi, Lisa. I got an email from one of your fans who just asked me if I could do a shout out. And of course. Lisa LadybirD was the semi-finalist on my channel for the hashtag Christmas in July Fairies giveaway. And I live in Canada, she's way over there in the UK, and she still hasn't got the parcel from me. Yeah. Hopefully it'll come soon, because now she's got a channel, and I'll link that below. And she'll open it on her channel, I'm sure. And congratulations again for winning. Hope you like your winnings whenever they get there. Okay, so also speaking of the UK, I'm waiting for a swap to come in from another fellow YouTuber, and she lives in Scotland. It's taking forever, and the parcel I sent to her is taking forever. So, yeah. Hopefully, I just hope it comes soon. I keep thinking it's gonna come soon, it's gonna come soon. Yeah. So, next thing is I'm waiting for a Mary Maxim order. So far it's not taking forever to get here, because I ordered it not that long ago, really. So, yeah. Also, remember my head? I asked you all if you could name it. Well, I chose a name, and she blocks me out. Anyway, so I chose a name, and it was given to me by Cheryl Hemming. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name right, because it only has one M, but she mentioned Hedy Lamarr, is that her last name, that actress and inventor and stuff? Well, I've decided I'm going to call her Hedy, but I'm going to spell it H-E-A-D-Y, because she's a head. So this is Hedy. Thank you for all your great names and stuff. There's no prize, by the way. Sorry. But thank you, Cheryl, for that. Okay, so next thing, next month is my birthday. November 15th will be my birthday. My mom's would have been on November 26th. So between those dates, something fun is going to be going on. And I'll do the official announcement on November 1st. So watch for that video. I think it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm planning for it. Started planning for it like the end of September. Yeah. So watch for that. All right. You want to know about this and this? Well, I got this yarn from Hirschner's, and that is the Sweet Roll Frosty. Sweet Roll Frosty. And it is a 140 gram ball, 245 yards. It's a premier brand. It is medium 4 weight. Request or suggested hook size is 5.5 millimeter. Suggested needle is the same size. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry, normal. And and it is iced coffee. And I ordered this one because of the name iced coffee. I love coffee. I love iced coffee. Yeah. And also, oh, I was going to say something else. 100% acrylic. Okay. So remember, medium 4 weight. And I got a Hirschner's catalog in the mail, and it was pointing out the new sweet roll colors, frosty colors. Iced coffee is apparently a new color. So, can you see? It's like a whitish, and then there's kind of, I guess, the cream for the coffee. And then the darker gray. I really love it. I really love it. So, I wanted to try this yarn. Since I ordered it, I might as well try it, right? So I decided, well, you know, I wanted to design a scarf. This is my first scarf that I designed. And so I made this, and I was gonna measure it, and I forgot to measure it. But anyway, it wraps around, let's see, let me stand up. And no, I did not sew my ends in yet. See, I have a couple ends here. But this is how far it hangs down and wraps around your neck, and it's, I think it's a nice width. So yes, this is my own design. See the bumpiness here and the little windows. Bumpiness here, bumpiness. So then I finished this scarf, and I loved it so much. And I had never designed a scarf before, like I said, but I loved it so much. I thought, I wonder if I can design a hat to go with it. So I started crocheting, started the hat like you normally would. You know, you make the magic ring and you do the whatever you want, double crochets, and then around and around. And so I made a hat. And this is the pattern, the same as the scarf. I did a little different rim to finish it off. But I absolutely love it. And it's really not made for our Canadian winters. Just because of the wind and how it just goes through all your clothes, because it would go through these holes. All right, just a word to my Canadian wise, word to the wise in Canada, or in other countries or states where it's cold. If there's a wind, it's going to go right through these holes. But it's cute for fall or spring, right? So, what is my plan now? Well, see, I haven't sewn in my ends. That's, anyway. Let me take this off. Whew. All right. Like I said, this Sweet Roll Frosty is 245 yards. And I'd like to show you what I had left after making this scarf and this hat. That's what I had left in the ball. So, you can make this hat and scarf with one ball. You can make this hat and scarf in one day, or maybe one day, 6-7 hours. I know the scarf and the hat, of course I was designing, so it took a long time. But, there's another look at the hat. And that's what I had left in the bowl. But what I did was, I can't stop making them now. So what I did was, I used another yarn that that was sent to me by Affordably Crafty. Hi, Kim. I'm going to, of course, link her below. We did a yarn swap, and she sent me this yarn, which is yarn B. We can't get in Canada. It's from Hobby Lobby. I wish we had one in Canada. Yarn B, soft and sleek. It's low pill fiber, 186 yards, but she sent me 2. Let's see here. It's acrylic. Recommended hook size is 6mm. And I actually, this other one, just so you know, I used a 6mm, even though they recommended a 5.5, correct? Yes, 6mm. This one said 6mm, so I went with the 6mm. This is also a medium weight 4. This color is green, but that's the label. And I actually made a scarf with this, but I frogged it so I could make this one. But I do have a picture of that on my channel, that first one. So this is how this one worked up. Let me just compare for a second. See, these are both considered medium weight 4. Now let me show you the length. They're both considered medium weight 4, and I did the same amount of chains. So the green one ended up being shorter than this one, this Premier yarn. Same amount of chains, honestly. So, okay, so what I had to do with actually with the green one, I had to put a few more rows on the green hat that I made to go along with it. So so if you're going to use this yarn, if you make this, you'll need 2 balls. Yeah, because it's 186 yards, I said. Okay, let me just this on. And I think I did an extra, you know what, maybe I did an extra row here too, because yeah, I think I did a single crochet, extra single crochet to finish it off. But yeah, yeah. So, but I really love how these colors turned out. And the hat I did a little different too with the, oops, folded under, with the edging. The edging's a little different. So, why am I showing you these? Why am I talking so much to you about these? Are you enjoying the video? Can you click like if you like anything? If you like the owl back there, the little doll named Bella. Anything. This. Anyway, where's my coffee? I just need a sip of coffee here. Okay, what's in your cup? Why am I talking about this so much? Because I'm wanting to know if you guys would like to do a crochet along. Now it's an open invite. Anybody can do it, whether you have a channel or not, anybody can do it. It's going to start next week, and it's for this scarf and hat. I'll be doing using a different yarn, which I'll explain in that video, because these are already made. But yeah. So what I want you to do is, if you want to do this crochet along, that's perfectly fine. Anybody's welcome. And then what I'd like you to do is, when your items are finished, please send a picture to me, to my email, just to my email only. And there's going to be a prize. There's going to be a prize. Okay, so, doesn't take long to make these, right? But the crochet along, with the videos will be a little longer than just a tutorial video, I think. But I'm going to start that crochet along this coming Monday, 19th? I'm not sure. This coming Monday. Today is, I don't know. It's October 2020. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you would like to do a crochet along for this scarf and hat. And like I said, send me pictures when they're complete. I guess by October 31st. That should be enough time, right? I think so. But if I have to extend the deadline, then I'll do that. But we'll say it's going to end October 31st. Okay, because my next big thing is happening the next day, November 1st. So, okay, that's enough. That's enough for now. So I'm getting hot. These things are really warm. So thank you all for joining me. I will be, okay, I will be emailing a couple of people to ask them if they would like to join. But otherwise, it's an open invitation. Anybody can join, whoever has a channel or does not have a channel. I love you all. You are all the best. All right, so I'll see you in a few days. I don't know if I'll see you on the weekend, but I will see you soon. Oh, if I get mail today, I will see you later today. All right, take care, everyone. Love you all. Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye for now. Hi, everyone. It's Darla. Thank you to my channel. Blooper.